Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. I am Jamie Beth. With the St. Patty's Day celebration coming up, we all become Irish. So I thought if we're going out, we should do kind of a pretty Patty's Day look. So I'm going to be using a few different palettes to create this look. And I'm going to start with my eyes first. So we're going to just jump right in and start getting this look going. I'm gonna start off with a base, and we're gonna use the P. Louise eyeshadow base. Okay, so we have our base on the eyeshadow base. We're gonna use this shade right down here to kind of just put all over the eye. Now we have that down, we are going to move on to buffing in a transition shade. And the transition shade that I'm going to use is actually a color shade. So we are going to go into this little palette right here. This is the ColourPop Tinkerbell palette. I love this palette. I love these colors. So I'm going to go in with this green color, and I'm just going to use that as a transition shade. I'm just going to get it in the crease and a little bit on my lid, and that is it. This Jessup brand I got on Amazon. A fabulous brand. I love these brushes. They are really, really good brushes, and they're not expensive. But this is their Jessup 221 Luxe Soft Crease Brush. Again, we're just getting into that crease, and we're going to start blending it out a little bit. Okay, so now that we have that looking the way we want it to look, we're going to move into a darker green. And the palette that I'm going to use to get that darker green color is the ColourPop Just My Look palette. And we're going to use this color right here down in the corner, that really dark green. We're going to take a smaller blending brush and dip into that color and really just get it into the crease and on, like, I don't know, like a quarter of our eyelid. Okay, so crease and the corner of our eyelid. The brush I'm using for this is the Lamora Tapered Blending Brush 110. You just want to ever so lightly tap into that color, tap off the excess, and then just get it in that crease. And then I'm going to go back with that slightly bigger brush, and I'm just going to blend the edges. So you're just going to go over the edges and kind of just buff them out ever so lightly with like minimal pressure. The eyeshadow looks always look a little wonky at first, but once you start adding all the other things like mascara, maybe some false eyelashes, liner, and whatnot, the look starts coming together and looking a little bit better. You just gotta get to the end. Trust me, you just have to get to the end. So now I'm going to take that little blending brush again, the same one I put that other darker green shade on. I'm going to go back to that ColourPop Tinkerbell palette, and we're going to go in this even darker green, and we are strictly keeping this to the outer corner. So right here on the eye, we're just going to dab that shadow in that corner and kind of just deepen up that corner a little bit more. Okay, now I'm going to stick with that little blending brush, and I'm just going to bring that darker shade a little bit up. So like right here in my eyelid. Here, let me move in a little bit more. So like right to here, like pretty much halfway up. And I'm just moving that dark shadow that I placed on my lid ever so lightly, and we're just kind of blending it up a little bit. Okay, that is coming along really nice. I'm really liking how this is looking. We have our dark shades on. Now we're going to go into a shimmer shade, and we're going to put that on our eyelid all the way, kind of like halfway into the inner corner, halfway on our eyelid. And the shimmer shade that I'm going to use is this one from that Tinkerbell, this shimmer shade right here. Oh, there are names on this, so it's called Tink. And I'm just going to use my finger, and I'm going to press that on my eyelid. Okay, so now we're going to go back with that tiny blending brush, the same blending brush that we've been using, this little guy right here. We're going to kind of like go over these edges a little bit so that there isn't a harsh line. Because you want to kind of have it just kind of flowing into the dark shade. You don't really want like a sharp line. And then once we are done kind of blending that into our lid a little bit, we're gonna go just to the top of our crease and blend that back in a little bit more. So now we're gonna do some eyeliner, and I'm just gonna go in with some black liquid eyeliner. I think we're gonna do some fake eyelashes today, so we'll go ahead and get that completed as well. I'm gonna kind of go fast with that. I mean, I'm just putting liquid eyeliner on and I'm putting light lashes on. So we're gonna hurry up and boom boom through that. The lashes I'm gonna use are these. These are the, I don't even know where I got these or if someone bought them for me or what. But these are like some crazy bold lashes, and I figure with a bold St. Patty's Day look, might as well have some bold lashes to go along with it. So I'm gonna use some of these cool like big fat lashes. For the liquid eyeliner, it's just one of these like eyeliner pens, and this is the Maybelline Master Precise All Day black liquid eyeliner pen. Okay, so we have our liner and our lashes on, and it's coming together. I'm so excited. Something I do that I know a lot of people don't do, or I kind of do backwards, is I put my mascara on after I've done my lashes because I kind of want it all to blend in. And I just, for me, it's easier to put my fake lashes on first and then add the mascara. A lot of people do the mascara first. There's really no right or wrong way. However you want to do it, whatever you are comfortable with. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my eyebrows, and then we will start putting on our foundation and primer and concealer and all of that stuff. And for my brows, I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow, and I believe this is 3.5. Our face makeup on, we got our bronzer on, our concealer, all of that good stuff. We are now going to finish this eye look. And what we're gonna do is get a little like dome-shaped kind of smudger brush. These are these tiny little brushes. I don't even know. I try to hold them up to my face because that's where it's light. But they're these tiny little brushes, and this is the Jessup Luxe Smoky Shader, and it's the number 234. I'm going to actually go into a gold shade, and we're going to put a gold shade along our lower lash line. So I'm going back to that Tati Beauty palette, and we're gonna do the shade right here, this gold shade, and we're gonna take that along the lower lash line. Now this is pressed glitter, and we're putting it along our lower lash line, and I want you guys to know, be careful. If that gets in your eye, it can scratch your eye. So just be super duper careful when putting any type of glitter near your eyeball. Dab that in there and just press it along our lower lash line. It looks cool. I don't know if that's showing up in the camera a lot. I don't know. You know what? I think what I'm going to do first, I am going to line my waterline because I don't want that glitter on my waterline. I'm just going to take the Essence Long Lasting Black Eyeliner, and this is a gel eyeliner. I'm just going to go along my waterline with this gel liner, and then I'm going to finish putting that glitter under my eye. I don't know if that's showing up on camera. I'm kind of bummed that like it doesn't seem like it's showing up as much on camera, but it looks so cool in my mirror. I think it looks neat. I wish it would show up on the camera. I don't know. Can you guys see the glitter? It's so cool underneath the eye like that. Okay, so now we are going to put some mascara along that lower lash line. Okay, so we are coming together with this. I'm so excited with how it looks. I wish you could see the glitter. I don't know, you might be able to see the glitter, I don't know, but the glitter under the eyes looks so cool too. I love it. So we are going to finish this look with a nude simple lip color, and that is it. I'm not going to do anything real crazy because I really don't want to take away from the eyes. So I'm going to go in with this, it's a Maybelline lipstick. It's the Baddest Beige. I'm just going to put that on, and we're going to call this look complete. All right, here is our look. I really think this turned out good. I'm very happy with it. I think it kind of will add a glamorous look to your St. Patty's Day outfit. You can probably add like little shamrock stickers going around your eyes. I think you can do a bunch of cute little things to accessorize this look. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already, as well as the little notification bell that will notify you of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.